On Friday, school districts and law enforcement across San Diego County were monitoring viral social media posts warning of violence at schools. The vague threats originated on TikTok and spread across all social media platforms. Officials say, thus far, they found none that are credible.
And there was a lot of buzz that there was some sort of nationwide TikTok trend or challenge that was encouraging threats or violence against schools, but there was never any specific or directed threat that surfaced.
Poway Unified School District Chief Communications Officer Christine Puck says they collaborated with other school districts when they heard about the threats. But because they were unspecific, ultimately, this wasn't enough to cancel classes. But that doesn't mean they dismissed them altogether. Targeted messages were sent to parents from schools where the rumors were rampant.
Hey, we're aware of something going on. It's a nationwide thing, but there are no threats to our schools.
Although the San Diego Police Department has found no credible threats, officers still conducted extra patrols around schools out of an abundance of caution. And that's how every school district in the county handled it, with caution and vigilance. Dr. Lamont Jackson, the interim superintendent of San Diego Unified, said their district is also offering mental health support to students who've already been dealing with a lot.
As adults, we have to know social media is out there, and so we have to recognize it, lean into it, listen to our students, have them as partners in this conversation to how we meet their needs during these times of threat and social media posts. But frankly, it's just sad.
Families with children at these Poway Unified schools had the threats on their minds.
It's tragic. It's tragic that our kids have to go to school with fear. It's not fair. I don't know why they post things like that.
It's scary, and there's nothing you can really do about it anymore because social media is so overpowering. But not to go to school and stay home.
TikTok confirmed in social media posts it had not identified any specific threats and is working with law enforcement. The company also says it's removing the alarmist warnings that violate its misinformation policy. Kitty Alvarado, KPBS News.